This video I will show you how to add a watermark to your YouTube videos to grow your channel. For that you just need to add one watermark, which will display on all of your YouTube videos. If you think this video is effective, then please consider subscribing and give a like. Then log in into your account. Click on your channel logo. Then go to YouTube Studio. This will open your channel dashboard. Under left-hand side, tap on Customization. Then you will see the channel customization here. Then tap on Branding. Under Branding you will see the video watermark. I created the video watermark for my channel. I already have a video. How to do it by using Canva and Snappa. For creating video watermark, there is several guidelines here. Image 150 by 150 pixel is recommended. And use a PNG GIF, BMP or JPG and files that 1 megabyte or less. This watermark will appear on your videos in the right-hand corner of the video play. Like this right now, it's empty. So for uploading the video watermark, which I create by using Canva or Snappa, I will use the JPG format. Click on Upload. So I create this watermark. By using Canva, this is the PNG format. Click on and open it. So you see how it comes right now. So it exactly fit. This is customized video watermark. Then click on Done. So you see this is place here. Then go to top, you will see display time. So you need customize the time when the watermark is display on your video. If you choose end of the video, it will appear end of your whole video. Custom start time. You can select the custom start time and you can mention here. Or you can display this watermark for whole video. I will choose entire video. And then go to top right hand corner. And click on Publish. So you see changes published and go to channel. Click on View Channel. You will see watermark image appear on your video to help viewers to subscribe. Thanks for watching.